Good morning, everybody. We're going to play a potato ball bird game.
And
Where'd Grandma go?
where'd Grandma go? As you can see, do you want to change the country ball?
Yeah, we don't want to do that. We got a nice one.
We got, wait, we go to Europe.
You're up.
Europe.
You're up.
Confident Europe.
You're up.
Okay, Cyprus. Equip.
Yeah.
Yay. And we want the silly hair. We want the silly hair.
Okay. Come on, let's play sometime today.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Here's how to play. Keep tapping the screen. Don't go too high because the wind will blow you down. These little pacifier things I call them. I don't know what they are. They look like little pacifiers. You keep it in the middle. Don't get too high. The wind will blow you off the screen. So keep going up. Oh, what is that? It's a dinosaur. What is that? See? Those other birdies.
We're coming home now.
Oh, that's a hard one to get away. Watch out for the hooks too. They'll hook you up. Keep tapping the screen. You get up there. Okay, now we're good. Ooh, look out. Look out. Oh, the rocket gets me all the time. Keep going, dude. Oh, and the octopus got me. I'm gone.
That means they can't hear us. Okay, it's my turn. It's Florida and Alabama and New York's turn, y'all. Yorks.
Yo, get up there. You're going to get in the water.
Nice. He was trying to.
Oh, man. You didn't last long.
I only got 6.
You got the big hooker, man. Hooked you right up.
Dude, we need 16 subscribers. That's our goal. Guys, please subscribe now. I'm just telling you.
This is a fun game.
Please subscribe now.
Funnest game ever.
If you subscribe now, we'll be happy.
Keep tapping the screen. Get up there higher. There you go.
There we go. Oh my goodness. Do you want to create a second channel so that way everybody can subscribe to it also? It might get more subscribers.
I don't know. Ooh, them rockets are always in the way.
Well,
There you go. Into the wind.
at least I got 45.
Thanks for talking to us. See you soon.
And comment down below if you know where Grandma is. Bye.